everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you've been good. So now you're wondering why I'm wearing the same clothes for two videos, probably consecutively, but I don't know, I'm going to post them online. Nevertheless, guys, I just finished filming a video and I decided to make this very short one, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing right now, guys. Consider subscribing. So what am I talking about today? I'm talking about how to make people feel uncomfortable around you. Now, why on earth would you want to make anyone feel uncomfortable around you? Now, here's the gist. Now, probably you're being bullied and you're a shy person and people tend to look down on you. I think these three steps I'm going to mention right now will definitely go a long way in the helping of your ministry. Okay, there's something like that. Now let's go to the video already. Now for number one, how do you make someone feel uncomfortable? You're a shy person, you're timid, and you definitely don't want people to look down on you, or people are always looking down on you. Now how do you really make them feel uncomfortable? Now I have these 3 points that I want to share with you guys. Now I watched a particular video because I'm also a shy person as well. So I watched this particular video, I think 2 years ago sometimes, and it has really helped me a whole lot. So now I'm sharing my secret with you. So for number one, you look straight into their eyes. Nobody feels comfortable when you look straight into their eyes. And for number two, you look at their foreheads. Then they start wondering, is something there? Am I not okay? Why, and why? So the moment they say why, then that's like your that's like your access point. Like from there, you can just make your own statement. Then you can talk as well. As for number two, now for number three, you just look at their shoes. Just keep on staring at their shoes, and like that they'll feel uncomfortable. What's wrong with my shoes? Is it bad? Is it not good? Like, what's going on? So that's just, and once they're having doubt in their mind, or the person is having doubt in his mind, then you can just make your own mark and just say whatever you want to say, and like that you're cleared. Like the way will just open for you once you do these 3 things, and you don't have to do the 3 together. Just focus on one, and that's just how it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you're struggling with stuff like that, I hope this really answers that. And if you've not subscribed, consider subscribing, and at the comment section let me know what you guys think. I know this is definitely different from what I talk on this channel, but I definitely want to help others that are also struggling with something like this. And I hope you enjoyed the video anyways. So that's just it. I want you to enjoy my video, learn 1 or 2 things from it, and let's just be a family here on YouTube. And you can also follow me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook as well. And for business, please contact me on my email, in the description below. So thanks and bye, guys. Bye.